One of the best gifts my mom gave me was the absolute refusal to let food go to waste. In my Middle Eastern series, I focus on ingredients that you may not be thinking about, and beets is one of my favorites. They were in every house, every Moroccan Shabbat dinner as I was growing up, and of course, in my Russian Jewish household, they were very prominent in many salads. But I feel like in today's day and age, they're kind of overlooked. So in this recipe, I wanted to take humble beets and turn them into a 5-star ingredient recipe. The inspiration for this came from a Jean-Georges restaurant in New York, and I just had to replicate it as soon as I got it. First, you start with a pack of either sous vide or vacuum sealed beets, and you press it really thinly in a tortilla press or a meat press or something similar. Then you make a mousse out of avocado and not much else, and you pipe it in a design of your liking on top of the thinly pressed beets. Then I add mustard, shallots, lemon zest, that avocado mousse, and some capers or caper berries, and olive oil, and the result is truly an outstanding appetizer. Make this now and thank me later.